What's up, everyone? Today I just got some controller joystick grips to improve my aim. I'm gonna start off with a practice aim trainer thing with and without the joystick like grips, and then I'll do a match with and without it. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm on controller, and right now I'm gonna do without the joystick grips and kind of set like a default, and then I will try it with the grips and see if it is better. So yeah, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to set a timer and see how long I can get in that timer. So let me do a minute, and it starts now. Oh my. Okay, and this is without the grips. Oh, time. I'm gonna put on the grips and see if that helps. 3, 2, 1, go. Holy, I like it. Alright, just a few seconds left. Time. So, looks like we have the grips 1, which I'm glad, because I don't want to spend like 15 bucks on something that won't help. I'm gonna do reaction. Wait. Oh, okay, without their grips. Okay, here we go. Sheesh. Can't I get any better than this? No, yes. 21. Okay. We got 21. Now, alright, I'm gonna put on the grips and see if that... Okay. Grips have been acquired. Here we go. Oh. I feel like I'm more accurate, just... $23. So I guess it does improve. I mean, maybe by just a little bit, but like, it still improves. Okay, we're gonna try one more thing. Okay, I'm gonna try doing the laser tracking. Getting my reaction is not good. Okay, 68. Okay, I'm put on the grips. Okay, grips are on. 68. $67. Oh man. Okay, that's... I mean, it's close, even though it won, or no grip won. I'd say it's like most like a tie, basically. But out of the two, or no, three, with the thing, at least, especially shotgun, it's won. I'm almost certain that just the grips are just better. So I'm gonna go try with a actual real matches and see, you know, if I get a victory royale or however many eliminations, or if, yeah, we'll just see my aim. for both of the games, with and without the grips, I'm going to go Seaport City just to, I want to try to even it out as much as can, at least like for the game wise.
2 hours later.
Yeah, I did not feel good about that. Oh my. Dude, my goodness. Okay. No! Oh my. My aim was atrocious that game. So now, I'm gonna put on the grip. Okay, so I'm gonna go Seaport City again just to even it out a little bit. And I do have the joystick grip on. So we'll see if that is a big improvement because, I hope it is. Because last game, that aim was, not good. So. Oh my goodness. Wow. My aim. That improved. Wow. Alright, I feel good about this. Oh! Oh my. Oh, yes. Yes! Wait, okay. This grip thing is insane. Oh, hold up. This is awesome. Right here. Oh, lag. That was not my aim, that was the lag. Okay. Nice. Okay, I don't want him hitting me from up top. Okay, we're cranking. No, I whiffed it. No. Yes. No! He's just insane, like, dang. Okay, he has one of those grips too, I bet you. The grips are so much better. And you could just see side by side for those two games and the creative aim trainer that the ones with the grips are so much better and smoother. Okay, guys, I think that I'll wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for watching this. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And God bless.